up guys? We're gonna make a short video about climate change and global warming. Me and Jerk are super excited to share it with you.
In this video, we'll be showing you some awesome activities that we can do to reduce global warming and climate change. What are those activities again, Zay?
We're gonna show you the activities that we did later, so just keep watching.
Join us as we explore ways to make a difference and fight climate change and global warming. Let's get started.
This is global warming and climate change. Global warming is the rise in Earth temperature. Climate change is the long-term changes it causes.
What is the difference between global warming and climate change? Global warming heats the planet, while climate change affects the weather, sea levels, and life.
Global warming versus climate change. The one is the cause, the other is the impact.
What is global warming? It's the Earth getting hotter due to human activities. What is climate change? It's how the heat changes our world. Activity 1. Reduce, reuse, recycle.
Ano po yun?
Haji bar nga po.
Ako
Ano
po
pa po?
yung isang Coke at saka Royal.
I'm trying to use less plastic when I buy things. As a student, we should be responsible about using materials.
That helps a lot. As a student, we can reuse and recycle to reduce waste in landfills. Hey, what did you send? Yeah, let me see.
Many people don't know how their action affects the climate. As students, we must be aware of environmental issues.
Yeah, that's true. As a student, we can help by educating others and encouraging small changes.
Lukot gusto.
Wow! Ano? Ano susuot ka?
Ano, yung sa inyo dress niya?
Anong dress?
Yellow ata. Basta isi-send sa GC niya.
At mo ko to. Background? Proper way segregation.
Wala. Basta
makes
ano, hindi yung
recycling
mahaba
easier.
kasi.
As a student, we should learn how to segregate waste properly.
Doon ako pag mag-
As a student, we can help reduce our pollution and keep our surroundings clean.
Ano ba yan? Dami blower na nakabukas tapos yung computer wala namang gumagamit na. Okay.
Yan. Sorry, nakalimutan ko lang yan.
Patay na
Sige,
natin.
patayin mo na lang. Sige. Mabuting tao yan.
Let's turn off the lights and appliances when not in use. As students, we should practice saving electricity.
May pa ganon? May pa
Students,
English?
we know that saving electricity lowers carbon emissions.
We should avoid wasting water at home. As a student, we must use water wisely.
Right. As students, we know that conserving water helps us to protect our environment.
The soil around the plants looks dry. As a student, we should care for nature. Let us water it so it stays healthy. As a student, we know trees give us some fresh air.
Stores nearby, I'll just walk.
Ano po yun? Ano yun? Coke. Coke.
Walking's a win-win. Less pollution, but more exercising.
Yeah, let's walk to the store so we can get some exercise.
Okay, it's more fun than driving. And it's good for the environment too. Let's go!
Let's go!
Hey, climate change is a big issue nowadays.
Yeah, we need to spread awareness in our community to help.
Let's go.
Yo! Let's plant a tree and it helps the air and the animal.
Okay. Hope it grows and gives us a wonderful view. Let's go.
Global warming is a serious problem, and as students, we can help by practicing simple actions that protect and care for our environment. What's up, guys? Me again, Zay. So now that York and I have shown you the activities, those are just few practices we can do. There are many ways we can help our environment pa. Thank you for watching and I hope you learned something from our presentation.
One is the loneliest number that you'll ever do. Two can be as bad as one. It's the loneliest number since the number one. One is the loneliest number that you'll ever do.